Good morning. What a great day. Look at this wonderful audience we have for Women in Leadership 2019.
The success principles we're going to talk about today is a combination to a lock. The principles always work if you work the principles.
Life is not about the breaths that you take. It's really about the moments that take your breath away.
There's not one definition of success. And when I discovered that, and I discovered what my personal definition was for success, I knew exactly what I needed to do to get there.
Get comfortable with the uncomfortable.
A brand is actually a feeling, and it comes first and foremost from the hearts and the minds who live and breathe it every day.
If you don't take anything away from my talk today, this formula will change your life. It changed mine. The events in your life plus the response to those events equal the outcome.
It is so important that we realize as women that we have to work together.
When you're young, everyone has kind of touched on this but not said it blatantly, this is the best time to take your risks.
We cannot GET if we do not. ASK, there are many, many benefits of asking. You get the promotion, you get the car, you get the loan.
Here's the best advice I can give you that was given to me. Doesn't matter, you figure out where your energy is. Right? Follow your energy. Put yourself in different experiences so that you can start to figure it out.
I think that anything that a woman wants to do in this world, we can do.
I want to thank Bowling Green State University, University of Toledo students especially for really investing here. I think the only other thing I'd like to add is all these lessons are about life. It's not necessarily about business. It's not necessarily about getting to that next level in your career. It's about living an authentic life and being the best you can be.